Sometimes most YouTube content creators struggle in finding the perfect category for their YouTube video. It is so easy to get it wrong, especially when you are just starting out. You know what? You pour your heart in creating content, put all your effort, then upload it and realize that this content is not getting much attention you are expected. So one of the main reasons could be that the video is listed under the wrong category. So your category affects how discoverable your video is. If you are a game channel and your video is listed under a vlog, that will limit the video. So you are probably not to what reach the target audience. Getting the right or listed on the right category means that your video will get to the right audience, and it will make your video to get more view and more new audience, or add more subscriber to your video. Sometimes you will find out that YouTube suggested category are not just good fit for you. You will find out that you will find it difficult to find your niche or your video category on YouTube category list. So do not worry, I got you covered. I will be showing you how you can set your channel category and your video category here on YouTube. So welcome back to this side of the screen. To set your YouTube category for your channel and your video is very important for your YouTube video and for your YouTube channel. To do this, just head on to your browsing. You come to click on Chrome. You click on your browsing, then you type on YouTube dashboard. I already have it here. You can see it here. Type on your YouTube dashboard, then click on the first one. It will automatically take you to your YouTube studio. This here is my YouTube studio. So what you need to do here, let me zoom in so that you can see it very well. You come to this place, you come to this settings. This is my settings. This is my setting. You click on it. You click on it. Then you come to this upload default. You click on this upload default. Then let me reduce it. You come to this advanced setting. We have basic info, then advanced setting. You click on the advanced setting, click on it. So it will open um a lot other feature for you here. So what we are looking for is to set our YouTube category. You can see my own here is already set on auto. So let me zoom in so that you can see it better. So this is my own here. So my own is already set. My own is already set to auto and style. So you click on this place. So you can see we have auto and vehicle, we have comedy, we have educational, we have entertainment, film, and a lot. So you will select your category here. So once you are selecting a category, meaning that you are selecting a category for your YouTube channel. So if you find out that the kind of content you create, the category is not here or is not suggested by YouTube here, so what you need to do is to look for a related category that is close to your niche. So let me assume you are doing a content of tutorial and there's no tutorial here. You know that it fall under education. You pick education. So once you click on education, then if you click on education, you will save it. So I'm not saving this because this is just a tutorial on my YouTube channel. So I'm not saving this. So my own is already set on auto. You understand? It's already set on auto. So this is how you can set your YouTube channel. You just click on save. As simple as that. Remember what I told you? You go to setting. From setting, you go to upload. You go to your upload default. Then you go to your advanced setting. From your advanced setting, you will see a lot of feature where you can select your YouTube channel setting. It is so easy. Now, if you want to select a video category, this is very easy. So what we need to do here is to come to, let me use an example of video that I have already uploaded. I've come to this, let me zoom in so that you can see. You come to this upload, you click on this media. So after clicking on the media, let's say this video is what I want to change the category. You type on it, then you type on this edit button. After typing on this edit button, you scroll down. So you scroll down to it, then you click on more. You scroll down, you scroll down, you scroll down. These are just the keywords from this video. You scroll down. So on on the down of this video, you can see, let me zoom in so that you can see very well. You can see category. I've already set my own automatically. So, but when you are uploading your video, it will also show you space where you can what select your category, so you can change your category to what your video is all about. So after that, you come here and click on save. This is basically how you can save your video category. It is so easy. You can rewatch if you do not understand, and straightforward. Make sure you set your category very well, because it is important for your video or your content to reach more wider audience. And thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and lastly, do not forget to turn your notification after subscribing, so that whenever we post, you'll be notified. See you in my next video.